There are two types of marijuana detox kits. Choosing the right one for you depends on your goal. Let's explore these types, figure out which is best for your situation, and check out the top picks in each category. First, let's discuss permanent marijuana detox kits. These kits, as the name suggests, permanently remove all traces of marijuana from your system. If you're looking to quit marijuana and change your life, or if you've got a drug test that you just can't afford to fail, these are your go-to. Such kits enhance the metabolism of marijuana and accelerate its removal from your body. They target each step of marijuana metabolism, speeding up the process. Here's how permanent marijuana detox kits work. They increase the breakdown of body fat, releasing stored THC into the blood. They enhance metabolism in the liver by inducing drug-metabolizing enzymes and processing THC from the blood more quickly. They prevent the reabsorption of THC from the intestines back into the blood, allowing for faster excretion from your body. But remember, these kits aren't instant magic. Inducing drug-metabolizing enzymes and improving the fat-burning process requires time. Be skeptical of those 3- or 5-day claims. Often they're just marketing fluff. These quick fix kits might work for one-time users, but regulars need something stronger, like a 7-day detox. So what are the best permanent marijuana detox kits? First, there's the Toxin Rid 10-Day Kit, ideal for regular and heavy users. It's a natural detox program from an industry leader designed to clean your system of marijuana and other drugs. This kit includes herbal pills for daily intake, enhancing all steps of marijuana metabolism and accelerating THC removal from your body. It also features a detox drink for use on test day to flush remaining drug metabolites from your urine. This kit is legal and undetectable by labs. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and has hundreds of positive reviews, making it highly recommendable for regular or heavy users. The kit is a bit on the expensive side at $190, but you're paying for a product that's proven to work. So if there's a major job opportunity on the line and you're seriously looking to make a life change, the price is actually quite reasonable. To get this kit, click the link in the description. Next is the premium 7-day marijuana detox kit from Green Fleets, best suited for light users. Heavy users should use it twice consecutively, although I recommend the previous kit for them. Like the Toxin Rid kit, it's a legal solution, undetectable by labs, and comes with straightforward instructions. Included is an in-depth healthy detox guide, a $60 value, at no extra cost. It's a budget-friendly choice at $67, but as I mentioned, it's best for light users. Heavy users should think about going for the Toxin Rid Detox Kit. To get this kit, click on the link in the description. Now, onto same-day detox kits. These kits are all about getting you through a urine drug test. They don't actually detox your body, but they ensure your urine is clean for a few hours. Here's how these kits work. They stop the breakdown of body fat so that THC from the fat cells won't be released into the blood. They slow down drug metabolism in the liver, preventing THC from being processed and excreted into the urine. They absorb THC in the intestines to prevent it from being reabsorbed into the blood and ending up in the urine. Then they make you urinate frequently to flush out any remaining drug metabolites from the bladder. But here's the catch. After doing all this, your urine will become diluted and could be detected during a urine validity check. To avoid this, the best marijuana detox kits must contain ingredients that restore normal urine parameters, like specific gravity, creatinine levels, and color. The best same-day detox kit is the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit. It works in just 60 minutes, with effects lasting up to 5 hours. It's undetectable in drug tests and legal to use. The kit works for everyone, no matter their size or how much marijuana they use. It has options for both casual and frequent users. It includes everything needed to make your urine color, creatinine levels, and specific gravity normal again. This way you can pass both the drug test and the urine validity check. It offers fast shipping, overnight delivery, and clear instructions. Included is an in-depth healthy detox guide, a $60 value at no extra cost. The kit also comes with a money-back guarantee from the manufacturer. For $56, you get a legal, reliable, and easy-to-use solution for passing a drug test, even under supervision. To pass a drug test with the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit, first drink the included beverage. Next, refill the bottle with water, wait 20 minutes, and drink it again. Then urinate twice and take the provided pills. That's it. You're ready to pass your drug test. To get this kit, click the link in the description. In conclusion, if you're looking to completely cleanse your body of marijuana and you're a regular user, choose the Toxin Rid 10-Day Detox Kit. If you've only used once or twice, the Premium 7-Day Detox Kit is the better option. And if you're just looking to pass a urine drug test without quitting marijuana, opt for the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit. Links to these kits can be found in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.